And today, special thanks to our friends over at i-Blason who are nice enough to send us this 2024 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 i-Blason case. You can see here, this is the Gildan version. And let's open it up. Take a look at what we have here. Slide this out. Nothing else in there. And if we got a little installation guide here, warranty card, and there's our case. Love that it comes with the clip. You got the i-Blason clip. You can, put it vertical this way or horizontal that way, whichever you may want. But I love when cases come with a clip. That's like my favorite. Now, if we take this apart, there is, as you can see, two pieces. It's just foam. Very nice and easy really to put on. So you take your Z Flip 6, and the easiest way is to start at the bottom here and just kind of essentially pop the bottom into place like so. You can kind of hear that snap. Then you've got a little protective film here. Peel that off. Another one on the front. And then right here, I'm not going to peel this because I don't really need it, but there's like a little extra sticky adhesive here that helps this to essentially kind of stay on the front of, let's make sure, there we go, on the front of your case. So now you've got your Z Flip 6 all set up. You got this nice mechanism, which in a way, I guess, is helping protect that, bend and crease. You've got your front screen, your camera cutout, got your little fingerprint reader, your volume rockers, speakers, USB-C, and then as an added little bonus, if you need it, you've got a kickstand. So you can pull this little kickstand out and set your phone up vertically or horizontally if you want to watch something. Just all around great case. Love the feel of it and should really protect this very, very nice phone. Gotta love it. Well, I'm done. All right, well, thanks again to i-Blason, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.